The Standard Phonetic Alphabet is a set of words that represent each letter of the alphabet. A is for Alpha, B is for Bravo, C is for Charlie, D is for Delta, E is for Echo, F is for Foxtrot, G is for Golf, H is for Hotel, I is for India, J is for Juliett, K is for Kilo, L is for Lima, M is for Mike, N is for November, O is for Oscar, P is for Papa, Q is for Quebec, R is for Romeo, S is for Sierra, T is for Tango, U is for Uniform, V is for Victor, W is for Whiskey, X is for X-ray, Y is for Yankee, and Z is for Zulu. Remember, when you're communicating important information over the radio or telephone, using the Standard Phonetic Alphabet can be a game changer. It helps avoid confusion, especially when similar sounding letters might be misheard. So, from now on, use them whenever you spell something over the phone. Like Katia would be Kilo, Alpha, Tango, India, Alpha. No, kangaroo, apple, etc. You got this. Thanks for watching Katia's Buzz. And if you're about to pass the Part 107 exam, make sure you watch the entire Part 107 study guide on Katia's Buzz. It will prepare you to ace the test, and it's free. Make sure you crush, like, and subscribe. Good luck. I'll see you around.